Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Canva publish errors, step by step. So if Canva won't publish your design, website, video, or presentation and keeps showing an error message, yeah, this guide will help you solve the most common problems quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted internet can stop Canva from uploading and publishing files properly. Next, refresh the Canva page and wait a few seconds for everything to reload completely. So, temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the publishing process. If the error continues, close the project and reopen it again. Reopening the design can refresh syncing and fix temporary bugs. Certain browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with Canva, so temporarily disable extensions and try publishing again. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. Yeah, Canva servers can occasionally experience outages or maintenance. If nothing works, contact Canva support directly and explain the publish issue with screenshots if possible. Support can sometimes detect account-specific problems faster, and that's basically how to fix Canva publish errors from start to finish. After trying these fixes, your projects should publish much more smoothly.